Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn numbers. So check out your maths book. Happy learning Maths B. Page number 70. Today we are going to learn 49 and 50. Now how to write 4949? First of all, one slanting line, one sleeping line and one standing line. This is 4 and 9. How to write 9? Write 1. First of all, one standing line and half curve. This is 4 9 49. Again, one slanting line, one sleeping line and one standing line. This is 4. Now 9, one standing line and half curve. This is 4 9 49. Now how to write 50 50? First of all, one sleeping line, standing line and half curve and 0. 50 50. One sleeping line, small standing line and half curve. This is 5 and circle 0. 50 50. This is 4 9 49. 50 50. Now look here everyone. Same here. 4 9 49, slanting line, sleeping line and again standing line. This is 4, one standing line and half curve. This is 4 9 49, small sleeping line, standing line and half curve. 5 and circle. 50 50. Do this page, do fast. And here 7 1 71. Right here 4 1 41, 4 2 42, 4 3 43, 4 4 44, 4 5 45, 4 6 46, 4 7 47, 4 8 48, 4 9 49, 50 50. Do fast. Now this page, this is your homework. And now take out your 7373, page number 7373. Circle the smallest number. Smallest means छोटा. Smallest means छोटा, जो सबसे पहले आता है. Smallest means छोटा. Now look here. 2 4 24, 1 4 14, 1 3 1 3 4 34. Now everyone look here. 2 1 3. सबसे पहले क्या आता है? 1. तो सबसे छोटा क्या हुआ? 1. तो circle it. Same here. 9 1 7. Which one is smallest? Yes, 1. Circle it. Now this is your homework. Now here circle the biggest number. Biggest means बड़ा. आप जो काउंटिंग में सबसे लास्ट में आता है means bigger. Now look here. Single digit number, double digit number and double digit number. Single digit number ये smaller हो गया. Then bigger कैसे देखेंगे? डबल डिजिट में पीछे वाला नंबर. 6 बाद में आता है कि 8 बाद में आता है? Yes, 8 बाद में आता है. तो circle it. Now look here. 2 0 20, 3 6 36, 2 1 21. फर्स्ट डिजिट सबकी देखेंगे कि बाद में कौन सा आता है? 2 3 2. 3 बाद में आता है. दिस इज बिगर. This is your homework. Now write the numeral in the backward form. इसको backward counting में लिखना है. What comes up before 9 10? 10 के पहले क्या आता है? 9. Then what comes before 9? 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 0. Now here 20. Write here 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. This is your homework. Look here. You have to write here. Take out your Hands on Maths B, page number 93. This is your homework. You have to write 41 to 50. Thank you everyone.